Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how you can pickle jalapenos, which are used in pizza, pasta, burgers, garlic bread and many Mexican recipes. So let's start. Here I have some jalapeno peppers and we need white vinegar, salt, sugar and few garlic cloves and water. So let's chop the jalapenos first. So I have washed it and I'm going to chop the jalapenos like this. We have to chop it a little bit thicker in size like this. So when you eat them, it's nice and crunchy. And so if you have sensitive hands, please wear gloves while chopping this. So I have chopped all the jalapenos and I'm going to take a pan and add garlic cloves, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar. So I'm taking 1:1 ratio and I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now if you don't like sugar, you can opt it out, but it gives a really nice sweet flavor to it. Now when it comes to boil, add the chopped jalapenos and make sure that it stays inside the water. So I'm going to turn off the flame and let this mixture cool, and in 5 to 10 minutes you can see the color change from bright green to olive green color, and that's what we want. So this is how it's changing the color. You can see after a few minutes. And like about 5 minutes later, it's completely changed. Now once the mixture is completely cooled, we are going to put this in a glass jar. I prefer glass jar because it stays fresh and you can easily store this for 2 to 3 months in a refrigerator. So this is a glass jar that I'm using, and I'm going to put all the jalapenos. I'm going to pour the water over it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share your comments with me in the comment box below. So the pickled jalapenos are ready, and it is ready to enhance any dish that you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.